To install the MCF drag and drop file uploader, come to our Oasis plugins page and find the drag and drop file uploader. When you click on that, a pop-up will appear. Scroll down and click on Install Now. The installation prerequisites will appear to show you what tables and fields are needed to support this plugin. For the drag and drop file uploader, we need to have 2 tables in your existing QuickBase application. You will then need the relationship between the 2. Click on Continue. This brings you to the first step, setting up a connection. Click on Create a New Connection. We need to give our connection a name. You can choose to give it a description. We'll need to grab the application DB ID from the QuickBase application where you will be installing this plugin. We'll need the application token, which will also be found in your application properties. You will need your user token, and lastly, you will need your realm. Once finished, click Create. We now have our connection set up. Let's click on Use this connection for the one that you just created, and it will bring you to step 2, configuring your QuickBase tables. My parent table is going to be the customers table. It automatically chooses field ID number 3, the record ID number, as the key field. Next, we need our child table, which in my case is going to be a documents table. The configuration will automatically seek out any file attachment fields so that we can choose the right one. We then need our file name field. The system is automatically showing any text fields within this table. I'm going to choose the document title. And then lastly, we needed our related parent record. So I need to search for the related customer so that it knows which parent record this document should be attached to. Once completed, hit Save and Continue. The last step is choosing your pricing and subscription details. We'll go ahead and give it a name. We'll choose our billing frequency. If you have any promotional codes, you can enter them here and hit Apply. We'll need to agree to our terms of service. We'll then need to enter our payment profile. Once your payment profile is entered, click Submit. Congratulations, you've successfully installed the drag and drop file uploader plugin. Now we can click on this link to install our plugin button directly into your QuickBase application. A pop-up will appear. You can click on Install. A new field has just been created in our QuickBase Customers table. If we come into our QuickBase application and go to our Customers table and go to Settings, we'll look at our fields, and there should be a new field called Oasis Drag and Drop File Uploaded. The system automatically configured the formula for this URL. We recommend updating some of the display settings. We're going to give the link text. We're going to choose Display as a button, and you can even customize the button's color. Save when you're finished and exit out of the settings. Let's go look at our form. The last thing we need to do is add the field to the form. So let's go ahead and right-click and add a field. We'll come find our Oasis drag and drop file upload. And there it is. We now have a drag and drop plugin installed within our application. To use it, you'll click on the button and it'll launch the plugin interface. And now we can attach a file. I can open up my Windows Explorer and drag and drop my file directly into the box. Once it's attached, click Upload Files. We'll then go back and view our QuickBase record. And here it is. Our file has just been uploaded using the drag and drop user interface.